Okay, so we're finished with our camera raw course. We're finished, and I really didn't want to finish without first, just going over everything we've seen throughout the course. That we started learning how to expose photos so that we could make raw files. Later, we organized those photos that we took, through a number of filters that we put on the photos. Then we started developing them with the basic development on the program Camera Raw. From that basic development, we later went on to make some corrections in noise or in small errors or distortions. And, we corrected a lot of things in the color by parts, and we put images into black and white. We took photographs and put them in HDR. We made photographs in a panoramic format. And, this is pretty much everything you can do with a raw file. And now I just want to thank you for participating, and I want you to thank you and remind you that you can give or upload your questions to the forum inside the platform, and that any personal project that you have done and you would like to share, whether it's from your photographs or the resources, and you want to comment on them and see what you're able to do, you can also put them on the platform. I really hope that you love this course and you learn from this course, and that you're satisfied and with this course, and we're always open to suggestions to improve in future editions. My name's Jared Swift. It's been a pleasure to give voice to this class, and I hope to see you in another course in the future. Thank you very much, and see you later.